Are you spending more time editing than expanding your business? If photo editing is slowing you down, it's time to outsource with confidence. We take editing off your plate, so you can focus on what you do best. With over 10 million images edited and 60,000 plus projects delivered, we help photographers, e-commerce brands, photo studios and agencies. Our streamlined editing system delivers fast, consistent, high-quality results. Whether it's 5 images or 5,000, you'll get pixel-perfect edits, on time, every time. We specialize in everything from e-commerce product photo editing, photo retouching, background replacement, color correction, drop shadow, color change, hair masking, invisible mannequin, focus stocking and more. Our clients don't just like our work, they rely on it. Now we want you to see the quality for yourself. We'll professionally edit 3 images for free, no risk, no credit card, no commitment. Try us out today and experience what top brands already know. Web Briks is the editing partner you've been looking for. Click the button, send your photos, and let us handle the rest.